everyone. So I wanted to show you guys me actually trying this out, so you know I'm legit. I got the actual apple juice that went viral all over the internet, and I wanted to just do a quick video on this. This is Martinelli's apple juice, and the apple juice actually tastes good, but I'm gonna make it cold. So this actually went viral because when you bite into this, it actually sounds like you're biting into an apple. So I did wash this prior. I'm going to show you guys right now. Kind of sounds like it. And it looks like an apple too. You can kind of see the leaves on there. Let's see. It's kind of fun, but I like it. Bite into this. I'm gonna see if it sounds like apple. Oh my god, wait. Yep, it does. Oh my god, that's so crazy. Hang on. That's insane. It sounds like I'm biting into an apple, but you have to bite right here. Oh my god. Doesn't that sound like it? Weird. Well, there you guys go.